So I was going to try to get this out of here tonight, but it's not going to happen. As you can see, we've replaced everything. It's brand new. The only thing that's left is the actual axle itself. So in putting it back together, one of the things I hoped would not be the case, but I was afraid of could be the case, is the case. So as you can see right here, that rotor is rubbing against the inside of this bracket. And that's happening because this bracket, which is welded to the axle, it's a part of the axle, is bent that direction. But you can't really tell. When I suck it down with the bolts, this rubs. So as you can tell, I tried to space it with a washer, see if I could prevent it from rubbing. When I tighten it down, it still rubs. Without the washers, it locks down and you actually can't turn the rotor. With the washer, it doesn't lock down, but you still have to have a pry bar to pry the hub to get it to move, and it leaves a clear rub mark. I mean, you can feel it. You can't even turn the rotor by hand, which that should free spin, but you can't even turn it by hand. You have to use a pry bar. So we have one of two options here. We can replace the axle, or I can pull this caliper back off and I can go on the inside of this bracket right here where it's rubbing on the edge, and I can take some metal out and I think it'll go back together. It's not necessarily the right way to do it, but it would probably be fine. Let me know what you think.